This is some backwoods Texas right here.
Graystone Scream Park is a massive 5-attraction scream park up here in Longview, Texas. Tonight we're here for the pre-convention bus tour for the Texas Haunters Convention, and this is haunt number 3 of 3. But because we're here during the summertime, they've only got 2 haunts open as a preview for you guys. We've got the Manor, and then we've got Spooky Woods. We're taking you inside those 2 haunts with us tonight, so without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Welcome aboard. Thank you.
Thank you.
There's
Yeah,
boards,
the
lots of
boards.
boards.
Welcome board. Welcome. Always knock.
Okay, door is open. Your door was open. Oh. I got a spider web in my face immediately. Oh crap.
Somebody's crying.
I don't know about, are you real? No.
Not creepy at all.
Oh, I think it moved. Oh, it's that rat lady in there. You've been collecting stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I collect everything. Oh. Including your soul.
No, I'm using my soul right now.
Uh-oh, and bone. Oh, look at that. It's like a spine. Oh, that's cool. That is awesome. Uh-oh, somebody's singing. Oh, crap, dark. Very dark.
Oh my
Whoop.
God! Are you gonna stay for dinner?
I guess.
So good to see a new face.
Oh, yeah?
I'm so tired of the old faces anymore. It's so good to see you. Matter of fact, I could eat you right up.
Oh. So
You don't
we
want to
are
eat us
dinner.
up. You don't want to do that. That's
No.
not good. Yeah, we're not no good.
Nope, we're not.
We don't taste good at all.
It's pretty sweet.
I don't know if that's a good thing or not.
I don't either. Oh God, that's freaking creepy.
Oh my.
Oh no. I don't know about this manor. Uh-oh.
Oh, good night.
That was a person.
Hi guys, you hungry?
Well,
I've
we
got
were.
some fresh stew here. This is my ex-stew.
I see.
He looks well done.
I see what you
He
did there.
is a little rare, a little spicy. I've also got some fresh eyeball salad. There's nothing like the pop when you just bite into a fresh one and it just
Kind of like
slides down your throat.
a grape, right?
Yeah, so 2 bowls?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. If you'll just push on
Sure.
that middle book and I will
Push on
meet
it?
you downstairs. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Oh, okay.
All right. Yeah. That's good.
Push.
And one of y'all has some stinky feet. We'll be having a conversation
Oh.
later.
That's
Well,
him.
They'll be
Okay, that-
perfect
that's
for
him.
meatloaf.
Definitely me. Definitely
Oh,
me.
she wants it for your meat. Okay.
How long has it been? How long has it been?
Since
A
what?
hot minute.
Trapped here! I've been trapped here! What's the
Oh.
code? What's the code?
666.
That's it. Just 3 numbers.
Yeah.
2 numbers.
That's all it is. It's so easy. It's so easy. Oh, God. Oh, don't bend like that. Don't
Oh
bend
my
like
God.
that. That's not good for your back.
She's just doing her stretches. What is on top of the clock?
Where are you taking us right now?
Look at the clock.
What?
What the hell is that?
Comment below.
Oh, it's not gonna move, is it? I don't think so.
Maybe. It's got shoes.
This is creepy. Oh my God, do we go down there?
I think we go down there. I don't know if I want to go down
Holy
there.
cow.
Oh, God. Cheers alive. Cheers alive.
It's the chairman. This is some backwoods Texas right here. I don't know about it.
We are literally going into the basement of a haunted mansion
Oh my God.
in northern Texas.
Holy cow.
Feeling like we're gonna get added to this skilly collection down here,
No, we're not.
or that body collection on the wall, you know, or that, or
They're
yep,
already
definitely
moving.
body collection.
Oh,
See,
that
see,
is
keep moving.
quite a
Time to go.
fella there.
This is what they do to people that go in basements of haunted mansions. We're outside. Going into
I don't know what that is, and I don't know if I want to find out.
the-
Marco!
BOLO!
That was good. What?
No nibbles.
Just a little nibble.
No.
Yes!
Denied.
Why is the wall talking?
Why are you talking?
Oh, yeah.
Sounds like it's hungry.
Ooh, this is
There,
awesome.
there. Watch the vines.
No
She likes
nibbles.
to bite.
The
No
vines.
nibbles. Negative.
Negative.
Sorry.
Balls. That is definitely a vine.
God, what the
A
heck?
thing.
Don't eat any. We don't have any.
Person eater.
Please help me.
Whoa.
Help me.
Oh, she's got you.
No!
First they want nibbles, now they want
Holy
help.
cow, is that? What?
Ooh.
That is a crazy
It's a bush
mannequin.
woman. Now we gotta
Uh-oh,
go
are we
back
going
in
back
the
up? That
house.
was a hell of a greenhouse. Watch out for the vines.
Stay away from the greenhouse.
Uh-oh, more collecting stuff. What area are they gonna send us into now? Oh, we're in the attic.
They're trying to nibble on us back
Uh-oh.
here.
Oh my.
Skins, more bodies.
There's skin on the wall. What is that? I was not expecting that to move.
Wow.
Oh my, there's another one of those things.
They think it's funny.
Don't mind me, I'm just coming through your closet. Smells like, somebody's singing.
Oh my! Don't eat that.
That is not where that's supposed to go.
Don't do that. Have some. I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna pass.
Oh Lord.
What does that say?
What's this?
You're
You're next.
next. Oh no. Oh god.
Next for what?
Jump
Are they
for
gonna?
the choppy choppy.
Oh.
My.
I like this one's face. I can turn her into a doll.
Oh no. Oh God.
God.
That was not necessary.
There's no choice. I'm becoming a doll.
There's no choice.
Not at all.
Oh no.
But I'm too.
You're in luck. I lost my tools.
Oh, that's
You
that's
lost?
good. That's
Okay,
good. We'll see if we
alright,
can
well,
find your tools.
I found them.
No, you didn't.
No. Oh no.
Ah! Oh god. Oh no.
Oh my God. Is he still back there? I hear something doing something over here.
Shuffling in the catacombs here.
Oh, it's you. Ew. Yeah, you. The dead one, I think.
Do that.
Oh.
Oi.
Oh my God, there's so many holes. Uh-oh.
What?
Balls.
God, don't know where to look. Don't know where to go.
I don't know what we're walking on, but it's squishy.
It's like grass.
It's grass and, oh, there, you got all the way
How'd you
down.
get down
She
here?
is fast. Uh-oh. This looks like some kind of dungeon. Oh my. I saw something and it disappeared.
It's one of them lasser swamps.
Lasser. Oh, am I also hearing things? Oh gosh.
Oh no.
Oh.
That-
Where did you go? No. We're
using
gonna
them
need
right-
those.
We're using them right now.
Yeah.
Come on!
No.
Do you have any spares we can have instead?
Yeah. We always need more hands.
Can we trade?
Oh, okay. Now why do I gotta come closer to you?
Just a bite, come on.
Nope, nope.
Nibble! I'm the back!
No nibbles.
No.
nibbles.
They'll give the nibble
using
back. They're just gonna borrow a nibble. Whoa, what was that? I don't know if it was anything.
The shadow?
I don't know what it was. There ain't nothing there. Wow.
Welcome. This is my butcher shop, and as you can clearly see, I haven't sold anything in about 30 years or so.
Butcher chop?
Yeah.
I hope you find your right way out.
We do too.
Oh God.
If we don't, will you give us a
gonna-
hand?
I got a
Brave.
couple that might
See what
spare.
see what we
chainsaw
did there,
run.
yeah? Brave the
We're braving the
yeah.
chainsaw run for real.
Arrow to the left.
Oh hell.
Uh,
Oh hell. Oh, that's moving.
why is it moving? You're gonna have to try it.
Nope.
I think we made it.
That was a fun little sheep maze right there. So, chainsaws and sheets in Texas.
Yeah. Who'd have thought?
Yeah.
We'll try.
Thank you. Uh-oh. She said limbs on a haunted trap. Tyler, what is that?
What is that?
I don't know.
Lurking in the shadow. Where did it
Oh
go?
my.
No.
We gotta follow that? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Oh no.
Where did it go? Hi. Oh no. You don't bite, do you? No.
Probably.
Maybe.
Probably. Yep, going this way.
I don't think I trust
Gonna
those
stick around and
eyes.
find out.
Ooh.
Hey.
Okay.
Nope. What's up here?
In the world.
It's the swamp. It's a boat.
And a pumpkin. I don't know. Hi.
Swamp ghosts.
What you got there? Oh, somebody's
Oh,
face.
just a face?
You wouldn't stop screaming, so I wouldn't stop stabbing.
Well, I understand.
That's
Sometimes I
good.
want to
Mom
stab.
said I did a good job stitching it back up, but I
yeah.
like yours better.
Well, I guess that's a good thing.
I guess.
Well, yeah.
Oh, mwah, yeah. Did you name him already?
No.
Well, you gotta name him.
Yeah.
Is
What
it-
name? What's your name?
Nora.
Nora?
Yeah.
Okay, your name's Nora.
Uh-oh.
Tell them don't scratch your face. I want it. It belongs to me.
Don't scratch
Uh-oh.
Grandma's face.
Okay, Nora's
Grandma.
face is Grandma's face.
Grandma's face. I'm the
Okay.
boss, so Grandma's
All right, no face, no case. Grandma's been collecting some weird
Yeah.
stuff out here.
it. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Somebody giggling back here.
Oh, no. All right.
We're coming, we're coming.
Are you sure it's safe?
Of course it is.
She hesitated. She hesitated.
Paper, scissors, shoot! I win.
Oh.
I get your stop!
Oh, no.
No, that's not.
Oh,
That's not the
I think we're gonna
rules.
need it.
That's not the rules.
I heard her talking to somebody in here. I know I did.
Back here cackling.
Dinner time!
Yeah, we are not dinner, just to let you know.
No.
Yeah,
No! Have any fun!
I did not.
Dinner's back there in the manor.
Uh-oh. Nope, dinner's.
See, well, dinner's right here. See?
Oh, it's all broke. It's missing something.
Not me.
Not it.
No. What it?
Just might be it.
Oh, no,
It's
ma'am.
not good for your teeth.
Oh, that.
Something in my teeth. Oh, goodness.
That glass isn't good for your teeth.
Goodness.
Nope, nope.
Uh-oh, I don't like it. I don't. Oh!
Uh-oh.
I don't like that. Son of a buck. I guess.
Okay.
Do we get to live?
No.
Well, that's no fair.
Well, it's fair to me.
Well,
Okay. What's?
So the game is
Yeah.
hide and seek.
Okay.
okay, we're good at this.
I
Yeah.
count. Hide.
Okay.
You gotta run.
You gotta run.
There's some things that are gonna come after you.
Okay. Oh,
Do we
thanks.
get a head start?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
I said run!
You're
All
counting
right.
too fast.
2,
Oh, God.
6, 5,
Oh, God.
What is that?
Yeah, you didn't give us a head start. That's
She
not
doesn't
fair.
play fair. That's why. Yeah. You should really stop playing fair. Oh,
Oh, God.
Rosie, you know God told me to.
really?
What the heck
God,
is this?
Rosie.
Forgive me!
Who's Rosie?
You're Rosie, my kid sister!
Oh,
Come on, Rosie!
okay.
Your mama put this on my face.
Oh,
She won't take it off. Come on.
I'm
you know
not.
how sorry I am, Rosie. You know how much I love you. Come on, Rosie. Just tell Mama to
I'm just.
take it off.
Okay, I'll tell
all
her.
right.
Mom,
Said
take it off. That sounds really bad.
Oh, God.
They did that on purpose.
They did.
She said there was things out here that would get us. Uh-oh.
Little pumpkin patch.
Stay on the path, you'll be just fine.
Oh.
Fall off, that soul's mine though.
Uh-oh. So we gotta stay on the path.
Stay on the path.
Oh,
The
hell.
path is narrow.
What is that? A bunch
a-
of bones. Oh, it's a
It's
bone
a horse
monster.
spider skeleton.
Oh. Uh-oh. Stay on the path.
Did we make it?
I don't know, Tyler.
Did we make it? I can see
I don't think so.
the light at the end of the tunnel.
We didn't.
Oh, no. Oh, there's probably nothing in there. Hey!
Oh, what? Well, hell
We're gonna
no.
go find dinner, actually.
What the hell
God.
was that?
Yeah,
No,
we're
we
gonna
are
find more
not dinner. We are very
Well,
fast
thank
food,
you.
okay?
Yeah, we're fast food.
We didn't see you. How did I not see you? You're in a rainbow.